In this Perplexity Comet video, I'm just going to show you guys how am I using Perplexity Comet in order to automate some of my tasks, which is pretty easy and pretty awesome. You can see like the indexing requested has been submitted, and eventually it tells me that all done, and here's a summary that what I have submitted and what I have done. And this is pretty simple. So I use the method of by creating a shortcuts in Perplexity. So if let's say you want to create a shortcuts, you can click over your name here and click over the shortcuts here, and that's where you're able to set like different type of shortcuts. You can give the shortcuts a name as well as include the custom instructions here. So now I'm just going to add the shortcuts here. Yeah, I have already pre-written one that is called /SEO, and then these are the instructions that I've given, and basically I told the Perplexity said that I'm just going to give you guys some URLs below, and I want you to help me to inspect and submit for inspections in both Google Search Console as well as Bing Webmaster tool. Of course, once you actually have submitted, I ask them to give me a summarize in the table and how many have submitted, and I also ask whether you have any questions so that just in case that they don't really understand my instructions, they're actually going to ask me before they actually execute the task. So I actually pre-prepared some links that I want to submit. So I'm just going to go over here. First, you have to open the Google Search Console, and then after that, you're just going to bring up the assistance here. Click this assistance, and I'm just going to bring up by clicking /SEO, which I bring up the instructions, and I'm just going to give like two links. All right, so let's bring up two links. So I click enter. So what happened is that when you see the blue screen around it, it means that the Perplexity is right now taking over your screens in order to do the work for you. So they are going to show you what they are doing. And in the end, yeah, you can see it is actually in actions. I'm not doing anything. So it's actually helped me to submit for the indexing. And obviously, some links are already submitted. So that's why they are not submitted anything. So now they are working on the URL tool as well. So let's see that in actions. So basically when I've done it over, I've also literally opened my WhatsApp web and actually asked Perplexity to kind of like help me to send like messages like Happy New Year to few of the important contacts. I give it the number, and Perplexity indeed do it for me as well. So meanwhile, we are just going to wait for Perplexity to do the work, and let's see the summary that they are going to send us. You can see like the indexing requested has been submitted, and now they are working on the URL too. So I'm just going to pause the video in a while, and I'm just going to show you guys the outcome of the summary that the Perplexity Comet has given me after they have done all the tasks they are given. It take another like 30 seconds for it to complete it, and eventually it tells me that all done, and here's a summary that what I have submitted and what I have done. And this is pretty simple, so that's why I always love to experiment like what I can do with the Comet, and I can't wait to showcase you guys this. And if let's say you haven't really used like Comet, I think you should, because I'm trying to add to my bunch of things that Comet Perplexity can do for me, things that things that I used to do it on myself on my own, or my team helps me to do, but right now I should actually automate it using the Comet as well. So including I have been using Comet in order to scrap some data and emails lists that I can potentially build a stronger base or to do like outreach. So I hope that this actually helps you guys in a bit. And if let's say you love this video, please feel free to comment down below so that you actually motivate me to share with you more about my use cases by experimenting different use cases in AI as well as Perplexity Comet, and also helps Google YouTube to actually promote this video to even more people. And remember to say hi to me and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And for those who you are really loving using automation tools and using Facebook in order to get more leads, I have a lot of software for Facebook organic marketing that helps you to get more leads as well as managing your Facebook group as well. So if let's say you're interested, feel free to check out the link at junlo.net/all software, and I look forward to see you guys in the next video. Then take care, bye bye.